In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your web designer access to your Squarespace domain. If you need someone to help manage your site, make updates, or connect your domain correctly, giving them the right level of access inside Squarespace is the easiest way to get started. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can send that invitation quickly and confidently. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the site dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This is where Squarespace keeps the main controls for your site, including billing, domains, users, and ownership options. After that, find and click Permissions and Ownership. This section is where you manage who has access to the website and what they're allowed to do. Depending on your screen size or account layout, you may see permissions and ownership as a menu item first, and then again as the specific area you need to open. If that happens, just click into Permissions and Ownership again to continue. Once you're in the permissions area, click Invite Contributor. This opens the form that lets you add another person to your site. Squarespace uses contributor roles so you can control how much access someone has, which is especially helpful when working with a designer, developer, or marketing team. Now, type in the person's name and email address. Make sure you enter the email carefully since that's where the invitation will be sent. If your designer has asked you to use a specific email for Squarespace access, use that exact address to avoid any delays. Next, choose the administrator role. This gives your web designer broad access to manage the parts of the site they may need in order to help with setup, design, or domain-related changes. Before you continue, it's always a good idea to make sure this is the level of access you want to provide, since administrator permissions are quite extensive. When everything looks correct, click Invite. Squarespace will send the invitation right away, and your web designer will be able to accept it from their email. And that's it. You've successfully invited your web designer to access your Squarespace site. If they don't see the invitation immediately, ask them to check their spam or promotions folder just in case. Once they accept, they'll appear in your contributor list and you'll be ready to move forward with your website updates.